Lecture 6, The Liberation of Non-Attachment. Prepare to embark on a profound journey into the transformative teachings of non-attachment, a sacred portal to inner freedom and spiritual liberation. In this illuminating 6th chapter of our profound odyssey through the labyrinth of Zen wisdom, we extend a warm invitation to dive deeply into the profound philosophy of releasing desires and cravings. Together, we shall unravel the sacred understanding that by letting go of attachments, we can attain a state of profound freedom and inner contentment, unlocking the door to a transformative journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening that transcends the confines of the material world and delves into the balanced depths of the soul, the essence of non-attachment. Non-attachment, revered as a cornerstone of Zen philosophy, encompasses far more than a mere absence of connection. It is a profound liberation from the chains of desire that bind the spirit. It embodies the art of recognizing the impermanence of all things and comprehending that genuine fulfillment does not lie in the accumulation of material possessions, but in the profound sense of freedom that arises from releasing the incessant cravings of the ego. Embracing the philosophy of non-attachment grants us the ability to dance gracefully with the ebb and flow of life, unburdened by the weight of material and emotional entanglements, and liberated to explore the vast expanses of our innermost being, fostering a profound sense of spiritual expansion and interconnectedness with the cosmos, releasing desires and cravings. The journey toward inner freedom commences with the delicate art of releasing desires and cravings, a poignant recognition that the relentless pursuit of material wealth and worldly pleasures often leads to an endless cycle of longing and dissatisfaction. Zen gently guides us to acknowledge that the insatiable cravings of the ego can never be fully satisfied, and genuine fulfillment is found not in the complexity of material acquisition, but in the simplicity and authenticity of being. By relinquishing our attachments to transient desires, we unlock the gateway to an infinite reservoir of inner contentment and peace, allowing us to traverse the intricate tapestry of existence with a profound sense of clarity and purpose, the doorway to true self-discovery. In this sacred act of non-attachment, we discover the key that unlocks the doorway to true self-discovery, an awe-inspiring journey that leads us to the very essence of our being. By relinquishing our grasp on the transitory aspects of the material world, we create a sacred space for the emergence of our authentic selves, encumbered by the illusions of external validation and societal conditioning. Through the lens of non-attachment, we come to a profound understanding that our true essence is not defined by the possessions we hold or the desires we chase, but by the boundless depths of our inner spirit, waiting to be unveiled and embraced with unconditional love and acceptance, fostering a profound sense of self-awareness and spiritual transcendence that transcends the limitations of the material world, embracing the abundance of detachment. Detachment, often misconstrued as emotional distance, is in reality an abundance of inner riches and spiritual fulfillment, a profound state of being that transcends the confines of material possessions and external validations. It represents the liberation that comes from recognizing that our happiness does not hinge upon external circumstances, but rather on the richness of our internal landscape. Through the practice of non-attachment, we cultivate the ability to appreciate the ephemeral beauty of life without grasping, to savor each passing moment without clinging, and to find joy in the simplicity of existence, fostering a profound sense of peace and contentment that arises from the recognition of the eternal interconnectedness of all things, nurturing inner harmony and equilibrium. Throughout this enlightening lecture, we shall delve deep into the nurturing practice of cultivating inner harmony and equilibrium. Through the transformative teachings of non-attachment, we will explore an array of practical methods and meditative techniques that empower us to detach from the transient distractions of the external world and find solace in the depths of our authentic selves. As we immerse ourselves in this sacred exploration, be prepared to witness the unveiling of a newfound sense of liberation, a deep inner contentment, and a profound connection with the infinite wellspring of peace and joy that resides within the sanctuary of the self, fostering a profound sense of interconnectedness and spiritual fulfillment that transcends the limitations of the material world.